Good morning, everyone. This is my real skin. Actually, I just woke up. I did not do anything. Today is 28th of December, and it is very special day for me because I'm going to fly as a crew for the very first time. I have never flown as a crew. मैं passengers की तरह travel कर चुकी हूँ, but never as a crew. And this is the day जब मैं fly करूँगी. But I'm not going to perform my duties. I will be a observer. I will just see and learn. So that's all that I'm going to do. And a few questions will be asked by my lead, and I will be answering those questions. That's all. But still, I'm little jittery. I am nervous. I just hope everything goes well. And yes, I'm just tensed about my motion sickness because I do have motion sickness, and I don't know, do I have air sickness or not. Let's just hope everything will be good. Hello everyone, I'm ready for my flight, my first fan flight. I'm very excited and nervous too. नर्वसनेस की वजह से मैं 1.5 घंटे पहले जा रही हूँ एयरपोर्ट पे, ताकि मुझे कुछ भी जल्दबाजी ना करना पड़े. एंड here is my hat. I think this is going to be the best day. Just wish me luck. Bye.